everybody, welcome back to another Luna Tuna Plays. We're headed out to take care of the chickens. We need to do some work out here and show you our chickens a little bit more. They need their wings trimmed. We're gonna feed them and we'll show you what chicken farming's all about.
Coco, see Coco?
What? Coco was?
Yeah. Hi Coco. What's this? What's this? You want this? Coco.
You guys hungry? Who's hungry?
Coco, can I have a piece? Small pieces.
Chickens love bread, huh? Whoa, what is? Chickens got excited about Luna Tuna Place. Oh, Coco can't reach it.
Bread. Bread. We're like attacking them with bread.
They love it.
Bread. It's raining
Chickens
bread.
love pizza.
It's
Chickens
raining
love
bread.
fruit.
It's
Chickens
bread.
love.
It's raining bread.
What else do
Dad.
chickens like? They like our pizza, our fruit. Smorgasbord for the chickens. Some pizza, bagels. Coco loves the bagels too. How's your bagel, Coco?
Grass.
Vegetables.
Grass.
Yeah, dump my grass clippings in there. They'll eat anything. They're maniacs.
What else? They'll even eat their own kind.
Yeah, they eat chicken meat. If I got leftover chicken meat, they'll eat it. They eat their own eggs. If I give them eggs, they'll eat eggs.
They pretty much.
They
eat
are
everything.
garbage disposals.
And they don't know even how. And they even got. They put. And they make eggs in the chicken coop. We made them. They go in there and make eggs.
Yep.
Yeah. Did you know that you need to give your chickens rocks? Because if you give them rocks, they eat them, and then they go in their gobble down there to help them chew because they don't have teeth.
Yep, that's true. Helps grind up the food.
If we eat rocks, ew.
Yeah, we don't eat rocks.
Yeah, we don't eat rocks. Yeah. Unless
Yeah.
there's some maniac that does. No!
Got away. All right, we got to catch the chickens so we can clip their wings. Ross is trying to catch E-Gal. She looks like an eagle.
Yeah. Got her.
And he got her. All right, there's one chicken caught. Time to clip her wings.
She's starting. All right.
All right, so you got to pull the wing out. We always clip the right side. Ross,
Do I say it?
Ross always helps pull the wing out.
Do I say it?
Huh?
Do I say it?
Say what? Are you videoing me?
Yeah.
You got it on me? Clip off the flight feathers, just the bottom ones. Now it's nice and short on one side, so she can't fly
Now the
too
other
straight.
one.
If she tries to fly,
But they would fly. They have long feathers. I'll go on right. Whoa. Get her, Ross. Ross, get her. Get her. Get her. You gotta push them. Push.
walk in, sissy. Walk in, sissy. Walk in towards them.
Ah! No! Did you see?
Got away.
Dad, they trap.
What's the matter, Stella?
They trap. Brady, get her. They trap.
Push them in. No, you're not trapped. Catch them, sissy.
Dad.
Catch them, sissy.
Get out. Come on.
What's the matter, Eagle? Hey. Hey, Eagle.
Oh! Come on. All right, now Addie's. Get her. Addie, you block here, okay, Addie? Okay.
Grab the white one. She's sitting right up there on the perch.
Oh, almost got her. Got her. Got her.
Hold on. Hold.
This one's feisty.
Feisty. Opal. That's Opal.
Opal.
All right, this is Opal. We're gonna clip
No.
Opal's wings.
That's so scary. That's so
Sissy.
That's so scary.
Hers are pretty good actually. Hers don't need it too bad.
That's scary if you
Clip off the flight feathers so they can't fly straight, and then they won't fly away.
That's scary.
Opal needs a bath. She's dirty.
What
She's
is
dirty.
It's
Opal.
not too white.
Yeah, the cleaner it looks like.
She's so soft.
So that's how we clip chicken wings so they don't fly
Let's do
the
one
coop.
more.
Don't fly the coop.
Let's do one
Two.
more. Sand in my
Why didn't
shoes.
she?
No, leave your shoes on. You don't want to. Oh, okay.
I have sand in
Ross,
my shoes.
Ross got some band-aids put on by Sissy today. He had a very bad accident apparently because he's got band-aids all over his body.
I
I got beat up
I have
by a
I
newborn.
have sand in me.
In your shoes?
Yeah. When she did that. That's
Coco is just chilling over here. Hi, Coco. Hanging out. You're glad you don't have to get your wings clipped,
Oh,
huh,
great,
Sissy?
great, great. You're fine. You're fine.
I'll push them to you.
I want to do baby Francis. I'm doing Forder.
Come in from behind.
Francis. Baby Francis. Baby Francis.
Come over the bar there, Ross.
Oh, yeah!
Oh, I caught it one-handed
One-handed.
while videotaping.
After
Who's it?
Forder.
Order.
Adeline named him Forder. Why'd you name him Forder?
I wanted to make name on it.
Yeah.
Because I wanted to pick.
And Forder is an Easter egger chicken, and she gives us green eggs. We'll show you her green eggs here in a second.
They're tiny. This tiny and cute.
We're
Forder,
actually
Forder's
gonna
got
do.
a bald butt. Look at her bald butt. Her wings are pretty good.
Yeah.
They don't need much clipping. It's been a while since I clipped them, but they haven't grown back much. And she's got
I know for sure.
she's got
Stella
these
needs
little
them.
poofy cheeks. Can you see her poofy cheeks?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what makes her Easter egger, is her feathery cheeks and her green eggs.
She's so.
She's
so
crazy though. She's a wild one.
calm.
Egal's the most calm.
She's calm. Yeah.
Egal will walk right up to you
So
and let you pick her up. Forder runs from you like you're gonna kill her. Like we're making chicken dinner, huh, Forder?
Now, Stella, and after
right, give me
Stella,
All right, let's do.
All right, we got 4 eggs in there.
oh,
5 eggs in there. That's
5.
9 eggs.
Yeah, 9.
All right,
gonna get
hang
'em.
on, Ross.
You say welcome back to Luna Tuna Plays.
Huh? We did, yeah.
We don't.
Hold the bag.
You can't swing it away.
Don't crack them.
I'm trying to. And you gotta hold my. Yeah. Yuck. Can't do that, okay?
Ooh, I heard a crack.
Ooh.
Here's one of Forder's eggs.
There's a green egg.
I wanna see.
Thank you, Forder.
Crack it.
Don't crack it.
There's a bunch of bugs in here.
Is that it? Nope.
Nope.
One more.
Oh, there's a blue egg. Nope, it's another one of
Another green egg.
Forder
You
eggs.
thought it was a blue.
Dude, don't drop them. We got some busted eggs. That's why Daddy
Probably
does.
two.
That's what Daddy does the chicken duty. Kids are unreliable. Unreliable chicken farmers. All right, let's.
I hope you like our chicken video. And like, subscribe, and hit the what is it called? Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment. Yeah, bye. Alright guys, that was our video today. I hope you enjoyed watching our chickens get clipped and showing how we do the chickens. So make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Comment, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.